Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today what I've got is this beautiful orange kickstand. It's not a biscuit, so make sure you don't eat, but it's a very sturdy kickstand plate by KiWaV. Let me show you how it works. I know there is another one out there which is by Traction Dynamics. You can even have that on your kickstand, or you can use this one. Well, to me, I felt like in 16 Canadian or about 10 or 13 USD, this was a good fit, and I bought this one. Definitely a must-have. This will help your motorcycle on a hot summer day like today for the kickstand not to sink in to the hot road surface or the tar. That's what it protects it against. Let me show you how it works. Maybe many of you might have it. It's extremely sturdy and nice plate. Look from both sides. So here's the plate. I typically throw it down like this. My bike's parked on the side stand. Throw down the plate, push it up here. And what I do is I typically lift the bike a little bit. Okay, so you can see I lift it a little bit. Just push it down there. And wherever you feel comfortable, just let it go. That's it. That's about it. As simple as that. That's the plate. Down. Very good addition. You can pick it up, put it in your pocket. The nicer thing that I like about this, better than the Traction, is that it's much more, I would say, wider. So even if I'm parking my motorcycle on pebbles, or something like that, at least I have a little bit of more support than the one that slips on to the side stand. So definitely a good addition. Great way. You can just put it on. You want to take it off, just slide it out. That's it. There you go. All right, so the back is this that goes on the road. This is the front. Thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.